Most shooters still think lever-action rifles are relics of another era. They assume lever guns can't compete with modern bolt-actions when it comes to accuracy, consistency, or long-range capability. The truth is very different. Several rifles on today's list are capable of sub-OA accuracy with the right ammunition. Others use advanced magazine systems that safely handle pointed bullets, eliminating one of the biggest limitations traditional lever guns faced for over a century. Modern lever actions have evolved far beyond the classic brush guns many hunters grew up with. If you're looking for a hunting rifle that blends timeless American character with modern performance, you're going to want to stick around for the #1 spot. These rifles prove that lever action design is far from obsolete. Let's get into it. Starting at number 8 is the Smith & Wesson Model 1854. After decades away from the lever action market, Smith & Wesson didn't ease back in. They made a serious statement. Available in chamberings ranging from .357 Magnum to .4570 Government, we're focusing on the 3030 Winchester version here. It features a 20-inch cold hammer forged barrel with a 1-in-10 right-hand twist and 6-groove rifling. The rifle weighs approximately 7 pounds unloaded, giving it excellent balance for hunting in dense woods and broken terrain. Smith & Wesson built it around a forged 416 stainless steel receiver, an external hammer, and a crossbolt safety. Internally, the rifle uses a traditional lever action design that has proven itself for generations. Capacity is 6+1 rounds in 3030 Winchester, fed through a side loading gate into a tubular magazine. One particularly modern touch is the factory threaded 5/8 by 24 muzzle, making suppressor use straightforward. In practical testing, shooters commonly report groups around 2 inches at 50 yards using Hornady lever evolution ammunition, which translates to roughly 4 MOA performance. While that isn't precision rifle territory, it is more than sufficient for deer hunting inside 150 to 200 yards. The synthetic stock handles harsh weather well, though traditional woodstock options are also available. This rifle excels as a practical hunting tool rather than a precision platform, and it performs exactly where it was designed to. At number 7 is the Henry Big Boy Steel Carbine, chambered in .357 Magnum. This rifle offers an outstanding blend of compact handling and meaningful performance. Its 16.5-inch barrel features a 1-in-16 twist, optimized for .357 Magnum ammunition, while overall weight stays at a manageable 6.59 pounds unloaded. The large loop lever is especially useful when wearing gloves during cold weather hunts. Henry's modern side gate loading system is paired with a tubular magazine that holds 7+1 rounds of either .357 Magnum or .38 special ammunition. The rifle uses an exposed hammer along with Henry's rebounding firing pin and transfer bar safety system. Feeding is handled through the company's proven carrier design that has established a strong reputation for reliability. When it comes to accuracy, independent testing commonly shows groups between 2.4 and 2.6 MO using quality 158 grain ammunition. That's impressive performance for a compact lever action chambered in a pistol cartridge. Its practical hunting range is around 100 yards for deer-sized game, though experienced shooters can stretch that distance, somewhat with hot magnum loads and quality optics. While the shorter barrel sacrifices a small amount of velocity, the handling advantages more than compensate. Number 6 belongs to the Marlin 1895 Dart series, chambered in 45-70 Government. This rifle takes one of America's most respected big bore lever actions and updates it with modern features. It comes equipped with a 16.17-inch cold hammer forged barrel, a 1 in 20 twist rate, 6-groove rifling, and a threaded 11/16 by 24 muzzle for suppressors or muzzle devices. Weight sits around 7 pounds, though some field measurements place it slightly lighter. The reinforced polymer stock keeps the rifle weather resistant while providing M-LOK attachment points for accessories. Internally, the Dart series retains Marlin's proven side ejecting action and strong rotary bolt lockup. Magazine capacity is 5+1 rounds. Testing has shown roughly 5-inch groups at 100 yards with factory ammunition using iron sights. Add optics and carefully selected loads, and many shooters report groups closer to 3 inches. That makes it a practical 200-yard hunting rifle for large game. The real appeal, however, is power. A 300-grain 45-70 load can generate more than 2,000 foot-pounds of muzzle energy, making this rifle extremely effective on bear, elk, moose, and other large game within practical hunting distances. At number 5 is the Henry Long Ranger, a rifle that completely changes what many shooters expect from a lever action. Instead of using a tubular magazine, the Long Ranger feeds from a detachable box magazine. This allows it to safely use pointed, high ballistic coefficient bullets that traditional tubular magazines typically cannot accommodate. Available in chamberings such as .308 Winchester, .243 Winchester, and .223 Remington. The .308 version uses a 20-inch barrel with a 1 in 10 twist rate. The real innovation lies inside. Henry utilizes a geared lever system connected to a 6-lug rotating bolt that locks directly into the barrel extension. The result is bolt action strength combined with lever action speed. The free-floated barrel and rigid receiver design contribute to impressive accuracy. Many shooters report sub-MOA groups with quality factory ammunition, while handloaders have achieved even tighter results. For hunters comfortable with longer shots, the Long Ranger is fully capable of ethical deer-sized game, hunting out to 400 yards when paired with proper optics and good marksmanship. The number 4 spot goes to the Marlin 336 Classic. For decades, the 336 defined what an American hunting lever gun should be. Under Ruger's ownership, the platform has returned with exceptional build quality and attention to detail. The rifle features a 20.25-inch cold hammer forged barrel with a 1 in 12 twist and 6-groove rifling. At 7.5 pounds, it balances stability and portability very well. The American black walnut stock, cut checkering, and traditional styling preserve everything hunters loved about the original design. Marlin's solid top receiver and side ejection system make optics mounting easy while maintaining traditional functionality. Capacity is 6+1 rounds of .30-30 Winchester. The 2-piece firing pin design enhances safety by reducing the likelihood of unintended discharge if the rifle is dropped. Accuracy is where the new production rifles truly shine. Testing has shown average groups around 1.6 MO at 100 yards with quality ammunition. Combined with modern loads, such as Hornady Lever Evolution and Federal Fusion, the 336 becomes a very capable 250-yard deer rifle. Taking the third spot is the Marlin 1895 Trapper, equipped with Magpul furniture. This rifle combines the proven 45-70 action with modern ergonomics designed for serious field use. It shares the same 16.17-inch cold hammer forged barrel and 1-in-20 twist found on the Dark series. The Magpul stock significantly changes the shooting experience. Adjustable length of pull, improved recoil geometry, and multiple accessory mounting options create a more adaptable platform. The rifle retains Marlin's solid top receiver, side ejection, rotary bolt system, and 5+1 capacity. Stainless steel construction further improves durability in adverse weather conditions. Most shooters report 2 to 3 MO accuracy with factory ammunition. Carefully selected hand loads and quality optics can tighten groups even further, launching 300-grain bullets at approximately 2,000 feet per second. This rifle delivers more than 2,600 foot-pounds of energy. For elk, moose, bear, and dangerous game inside 200 yards, few lever actions offer this combination of power and practical handling. At number 2 is one of the most innovative lever actions ever designed, the Savage Model 99. Introduced in 1899, the Model 99 solved one of the biggest limitations facing traditional lever-action rifles. Its ingenious rotary magazine allowed safe use of pointed bullets decades before detachable magazine lever guns became popular. The innovation didn't stop there. The rifle featured an internal striker system instead of an exposed hammer, reducing lock time and contributing to better accuracy. Its strong action supported cartridges ranging from 253,000 Savage to 300 Savage, 308 Winchester, and 243 Winchester. Some versions even included a cartridge counter built directly into the receiver. Typical rifles carry 22-inch barrels and weighed between 7.5 and 8 pounds. Accuracy generally falls in the 2 to 3 MOA range with factory ammunition, though carefully tuned rifles often perform even better. Chamberings such as 300 Savage and 308 Winchester allow practical hunting ranges beyond 300 yards. The Savage 99 proved long ago that lever actions could compete with bolt guns in real-world hunting scenarios. Taking the top spot is the Browning BLR. Simply put, it is one of the most capable lever-action hunting rifles ever built. Unlike traditional lever guns that rely on older locking systems, the BLR uses a rack and pinion lever mechanism paired with a rotating multi-lug bolt head. This creates true bolt action strength lockup while retaining lever action speed. The detachable box magazine safely accommodates pointed bullets, unlocking the full potential of modern hunting ammunition. Depending on chambering, magazine capacity ranges from 4+1 to 3+1 rounds. Available chamberings include everything from 223 Remington and 308 Winchester to 30-06 Springfield, 270 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, and even 300 Winchester Magnum. Accuracy is exceptional. Multiple evaluations consistently report sub-MOA performance with quality ammunition. The button-rifled barrels, hardened steel barrel extension, and rigid action design all contribute to that capability. Even the takedown models have demonstrated impressive repeatability after repeated assembly and disassembly. In practical terms, a BLR chambered in .308 or 30-06 is a legitimate 400-yard hunting rifle, while 6.5 Creedmoor and 300 Winchester Magnum versions can extend that reach even farther. The BLR earns the #1 position because it successfully combines lever action speed, bolt action accuracy, Magnum level capability, detachable magazines, and classic styling into one remarkably versatile hunting platform. Modern lever action rifles have evolved far beyond their historical reputation as short-range brush guns. From the innovative Savage Model 99 to the highly refined Browning BLR, today's best lever actions offer accuracy, reliability, and ballistic performance that can rival many modern hunting rifles. Whether you prioritize traditional styling, big bore stopping power, detachable magazines, or long-range precision, there's a lever action rifle on this list capable of meeting your needs. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more firearm reviews, hunting gear comparisons, and deep dives into the rifles that continue shaping American shooting culture.